What's up, y'all? So I'm back, and today we got a project. And what I'm going to be installing is silver LED headlights on Lexy. Here's the fog lights, and here's the headlights. And I ordered this shit like 3 weeks ago, and they just not coming. So I don't forgot about it, to tell you the truth. Bluetooth aux receiver. Just pretty much just plug and play type of thing. So we're gonna be doing these, plugging that one in and installing these headlights. Just want to say that these bulbs are completely different from what I'm used to. Now, they're supposed to have like a little fan in it to cool it, the temperature down and all that. These some fancy ass damn bulbs, but they wasn't that much. They was only what was it, $30? They got like little fans in it to keep it cool. But look how it look. It's like a LED bulb. I ain't never seen one like this before. Huh. Let's look at the other one. So this one is kind of like just the regular ones I'm used to. I don't remember if these was the top or the bottom one. I think these are the fog lights. Well, you'll see when we pull them off. Okay, I got it installed. Well, it's pretty much plug and put the power on, and it goes. Now I can't test the audio quality because of YouTube's music shit. So, but it sounds good. I was listening to it, and it actually sounds pretty damn clear. Um, I haven't made a call on it yet to see how it sounds, but it looks good. But I will say this right here, that bin, it's got a fast forward and skip. You can press that, but I'm worrying about fucking up my port over time. So I think what I'm gonna do is get something to go like in back of this where it ain't wobbling that port like that. I kind of got an idea, so I'm gonna put these headlights in, and I'll show you what I come up with that. Okay, so those are the fog lights, stock fog lights, and stock headlights. I just got that mixed up. Yeah, oh yeah, by the way, I did get this windows tinted. So they tinted. And yes, you can see through them. Believe it or not, it's just the way the camera looking, but the human eye, you can kind of see through them. So yeah. See somewhat of a silhouette. People arguing next door. Anyway, this just slaps in there. But my main concern is it's not locking in there, so I might have to like tape it to make sure it don't come back off. But it pretty much is going there like that. So yeah. Alright, so I got that taped off and that ain't coming off. So yeah. That ain't coming off. Okay, so this is what they look like. I like it. Let it off the jack. Close the hood. Motherfucker look fierce. See how the brights look. Nice. I need to get some hairline defogger though, because that's kind of foggy, but you can get some stuff for that. Yeah, I like that. Look nice. Okay, so apparently the damn fog lights cut off when I cut the headlights on, so whatever. But yeah, that's what it looked like on the high beams. Like, got that aggressive look. All right, and as far as that, that's a temporary solution. Yeah. So, I mean, it ain't move where it's moving a little, but it ain't wobbling where it's breaking that port. So that'll do it for right now until I figure something else out. But that'll do it. So if you like that, let me know what you guys think. And stay tuned to the next project I do. Peace.